Hey guys, it's Tim from 2910, and so today I got some old modules from our practice spot, as well as our Mark II to Mark III upgrade kits, and the chassis here, and all the tools around me, and parts I'm going to need. So today I'll just be upgrading these old Mark IIs to Mark IIIs, and installing them on the chassis. So I think I just have a little time lapse here of me doing that. So yeah. Alright guys, so all four modules are swapped over from Mark IIs to Mark IIIs. We were missing a couple parts, so like that wheel doesn't have tread. We didn't have the Falcon spacers, so I can't put on the pinions right now, the drive pinions. And there were a couple parts that were, just kind of old on the Mark IIs that, had like little scuffs, so they kept me from taking some of the bearings off and some of the screws off for a little bit, but we got through all of that, and they're all swapped over, so I'm gonna mount it on the mini Swerve now. So it's fully assembled. Aside from, a couple missing standoffs, the tread, we don't have the encoders yet, and not being able to mount the motor pinions. Aside from that, it's done and ready for all the electronics you see here and wiring. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, guys.